wasting time. You know the goal: find the unknown concentration of that acid. But getting the protocol ready, that's days of work. Forget typing. We upload our diagram right here. We give LabGenie the simplest prompt: analyze this hand-drawn diagram of a titration experiment. Watch the AI work. In seconds, Gemini doesn't just see the burette and the flask, it understands the entire acid-base titration mechanism. It generates the full procedure: how much NaOH to use, the exact indicator drops, and the precise steps to find that unknown concentration. No more guessing. LabGenie delivers 4 things that guarantee success: the full methodology, step-by-step instructions for your specific experiment, guaranteed safety, immediate warnings, and required PPE for handling the reagents, predicted outcome. Look, it shows us the exact titration curve we should expect. Error prevention. It flags the top failure modes, over-titration, and air bubbles before you make them. This is why LabGenie goes viral. We've replaced days of planning with minutes of prep. You go straight to the bench, confidently perform the experiment, and finally determine that unknown concentration, knowing your results are backed by AI-verified data. Stop analyzing diagrams in a notebook. Start executing verified protocols in your lab. LabGenie, science accelerated. Try the beta today.